This is a Mr. Bojangles. I knew a man, Bojangles, and he danced for you. In worn-out shoes, with silver hair, a raggy shirt, and baggy pants. He will do the old soft shoes. He will jump so high, then hilarity touchdown. He told me of the time he worked with a minstrel shows, traveling throughout the South. He spoke with tears of 15 years. How is organ here? They will travel about, but his dog up and died. God up and died. And after 20 years he still agrees. He say I dance now and at every chance in Hawking Towns for my drinks and tips, but most of the time I spend beyond those country bars. You see him, I drinks a bit, then he shook his head. Oh Lord, when he shook his head, I can swear I hear somebody saying, please, please. That's a Mr. Bojangles. I call him Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles, come back, dance, dance, please dance. Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, come back, dance, please dance. Come back and dance again, Mr. Bojangles. Dance with me.